everyone, welcome back to 3 Kids in a Home. Today is Vlogmas Day 5. So if you missed yesterday's video, yesterday was all about my evening Christmas home tour, so make sure you go check that out if you have not seen it already. So today we are in my family room and I am going to be giving my living room furniture a deep clean. So for the holidays, I just want to make sure everything is fresh and everything smells right for when guests prepare to come over. And the last thing I want is for guests to come over and my furniture looks dingy. So I'm going to show you how I give my sofas a deep clean. So a full disclaimer here, this is what works for the fabric that my furniture is made out of. Everybody's fabric is not made equal, so always make sure that you spot test a section where nobody would see before you do any sort of cleaning on your furniture. I filmed this before I actually put up my Christmas decorations, just because I wanted to make sure that everything was nice and fresh beforehand. I'm really big on just making sure that when I transition from a clean start. Fortunately, all of my cushion covers are able to be removed, and so I take those off and just put those right in the washing machine. If you are visiting for the first time, hi and welcome to you all. I am Tiffany, and on this channel I do home decor, cleaning, DIY, and organization with a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled here and there. My husband and I share 3 young children and a dog, so my motto is, while I like to keep things beautiful, we also like to keep things simple, livable, and enjoyable. So if you like that sort of content and you like what you see, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'd love to have you all here. And for everyone who is already subscribed, thank you all so much for coming back to watch me again. You have been hanging in with me there. We had a lot of growth over the last few weeks. We had like a sudden jump in growth, which just makes my heart so proud that you all would consider hitting that button for me. So thank you so much for tuning in for every single video, for your comments, for your likes. It really means so much. To wash my cushion covers, I don't do anything special. I just use a little bit of fabric rinse and some laundry detergent. I just want to show you all the amount of crumbs. You can definitely tell which chairs we sit in the most. Now this one is one that hardly gets sat in, and it does have crumbs, but not nearly as many as what the other one is going to have. Here you can see there's like a Cheerio, there's like some other random crumbs. It's probably like cracker crumbs from my 3-year-old. She eats all over the house. We try to get her to just stay at the table, but she's usually wandering around in the day with different foods. She just leaves them on a plate and comes back to them and eats whenever she pleases. So here is the other chair, and look at this, you all. You can definitely see the difference. Like, this is just a mess, and y'all, it does not look like it, but I actually vacuum under these cushions pretty regularly. I think here it had been like a 2-week period. The remote is hiding in the crevice in there that they have been looking for. There's like popcorn crumbs, chip crumbs. Like, this is just a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this vacuumed up. While I vacuum, I'm just going to go ahead and just treat the arms with a bit of a spot cleaner, so that way it can go ahead and penetrate the stains while I'm vacuuming. Because I'm doing a deep clean today, I'll be using my Hoover spot cleaner. I use this on my big pieces of furniture when I'm doing a deep clean, as well as for the carpet on my stairs. So I've shampooed just the one little section of that chair, which is the arm. And look how dirty this water is, y'all. Like, that is so nasty. You could definitely tell we sit over here on this chair the most. Here's what the water looked like after it was time to change out the cartridge, and you could just see like all of the dirt sitting over in there. And I actually go over the arms of my chairs with a wet rag and clean them that way too. So you can definitely tell that it's just important to get a deep clean in there when you can. With these crevices in these chairs, dust and dirt does build up in them pretty easily. So I just use a Q-tip with soapy warm water in order to get them clean. And with that, I just go ahead and place my freshly washed cushion covers back on, get all of the cushions fluffed back out until the next time that they're going to be smashed by somebody laying on them, and then just spray them with a nice smelling fabric refresher to keep the scent in for longer. But that is going to be everything for today's video, all. Thank you so much for stopping in to visit me. I hope that everyone's holiday season is going well so far. And I know that the holidays can be stressful and joyful at the same time. So just remember to make sure that you're taking care of your spiritual, mental, and physical health during this time of year. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening. Be blessed.